ओके, तो हम लोग का अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है, देखिए, कंपैरिजन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फीचर्स। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे कंपेयर किया जा रहा है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फीचर्स को। तो यूएस प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन न्यूज़ में क्यों था? रिसेंटली यूएस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन वाज कंडक्टेड थ्रू द इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज सिस्टम। यूएस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन वर्सेस इंडियन प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन। क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स है? तो देखिए, कंपोजिशन ऑफ इलेक्टोरल मेंबर्स। यूएस में कैसा कंपोजिशन रहता है? इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज कंसिस्ट ऑफ 538 इलेक्टर्स, Senate 100 plus 3 of the District Columbia and 435 members of the House of Representatives. Electoral College is an intermediary body or process that chooses US President in this system. Voters of each state cast their ballots to choose members or electors of Electoral College, who then vote to select President. States have varying numbers of electors based on their representation in Congress. A majority of 270 electoral votes is required to elect USA President. और इंडिया में कैसा रहता है, क्या कंपोजिशन रहता है? मेंबर्स ऑफ एन इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ बोथ द हाउसेज ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट and elected members of legislative assemblies of states including national capital territory of Delhi and union territory of Puducherry. Constitution 70th Amendment Act 1992 Article 54. ठीक है, आर्टिकल नोट nominated members of either house of parliament or legislative assembly of states are not eligible to be included in electoral college. ठीक है, कोई भी लेजिस्लेटिव नॉमिनेटेड मेंबर्स, कोई भी हाउस के पार्लियामेंट का और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली का जो नॉमिनेटेड मेंबर्स रहते हैं ना, वो लोग एलिजिबल नहीं है इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज के लिए। गवर्निंग एक्ट या रूल्स क्या है यूएस में? देखिए, ईच स्टेट स्टैब्लिशेस इट्स ओन इलेक्शन रूल्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग यूएस डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड सिस्टम वेयर इंडिविजुअल स्टेट्स ओवरसी एंड मैनेज देयर इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस। और इंडिया में कैसा है? प्रेसिडेंशियल एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शंस एक्ट 1952। नॉमिनेशन प्रोसेस, कैंडिडेट सिक्योर पार्टी नॉमिनेशन थ्रू प्राइमरीज एंड कॉक्यूसेस। और इंडिया में क्या? प्रोस्पेक्टिव प्रेसिडेंशियल कैंडिडेट शुड गेट हिज या हर नॉमिनेशन पेपर सब्सक्राइब्ड बाय एटलीस्ट 50 इलेक्टर्स एज proposers and at least 50 electors as seconders. इलेक्शन मेथड क्या है, कैसा है यूएस का? Most states follow winner take all approach, where candidates with majority in a state wins all its electoral votes, except in Maine and Nebraska. Candidates can win presidency without winning the popular vote, like Donald Trump win in 2016. और इंडिया में कैसा है इलेक्शन मेथड? सिस्टम ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन बाय मीन्स ऑफ सिंगल ट्रांसफरेबल वोट एंड वोटिंग एट सच इलेक्शन शैल बी बाय सीक्रेट बैलेट. Candidate need to secure 50% of the total votes cast plus one to win. वोट काउंटिंग प्रोसेस कैसा है यूएस का? सिग्निफिकेंटली प्रोलॉन्ग्ड लार्जली ड्यू टू रिलायंस ऑन पेपर बैलेट एंड हैंडलिंग ऑफ मेल इन वोट्स लाइक आर पोस्टल बैलेट. और इंडिया में कैसा? यूज़ ऑफ ईवीएम्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन्स. फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है यहाँ पे? यूएस में तो एवरी 4 years ऑन अ फिक्स्ड शेड्यूल, और इंडिया में क्या है? एवरी 5 years एक्सेप्ट इन एक्सेप्शनल केसेस. रनिंग मेट, प्रेसिडेंशियल कैंडिडेट शुड चूजेज अ रनिंग मेट या वाइस प्रेसिडेंशियल कैंडिडेट, और इंडिया में सेपरेट इलेक्शन होता है, टेक्स प्लेस फॉर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, क्लीमेंसी पावर्स ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड यूएस. न्यूज़ में क्यों बताइए? तो यूएस प्रेसिडेंट जो बाइडेन granted an unconditional pardon to his son facing sentencing for federal tax violation and convictions. Comparison between clemency powers of president of India and US. देखिए क्या क्या एट्रीब्यूट्स है. सोर्स ऑफ पावर, आर्टिकल 72 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंडियन प्रेसिडेंट को पावर देता है, और यूएस प्रेसिडेंट को आर्टिकल 2 सेक्शन 2 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. स्कोप क्या है? पावर एक्सटेंड्स टू नॉट ओनली फेडरल यूनियन बट ऑल्सो स्टेट क्राइम्स, और यूएस प्रेसिडेंट को पावर एक्सटेंड्स टू फेडरल क्राइम्स ओनली एंड नॉट टू स्टेट क्राइम्स. डेथ पेनल्टी, प्रेसिडेंट कैन पार्डन डेथ सेंटेंसेस इंक्लूडिंग दोज बाय सेंटेंसेस, और यूएस में भी सेम है, प्रेसिडेंट कैन पार्डन ओनली फेडरल डेथ सेंटेंस एंड नॉट फॉर द स्टेट क्राइम्स. रोल ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच. Supreme Court in Maruram versus Union of India held that President acts on the advice of Council of Ministers and cannot act on his own discretion. US President can act on his own discretion. Judicial review. Scope of limited judicial review. Courts can examine the process but generally not the decision itself. और yes, US में President can review pardons in cases of suspects, corruption or abuse of power. Limitations क्या इंडिया में? President cannot pardon someone impeached by Parliament, and US में क्या? President cannot pardon someone impeached and convicted by Congress. Chief Justice of India CJI. Recently, Justice Sanjeev Khanna took oath as 51st Chief Justice of India, which was administered by the President of India during a ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Appointment of CJI. देख लेते. Senior most Supreme Court judge considered fit for the role is usually appointed as CJI on the recommendation of the outgoing CJI. This convention was breached in 1964, 1973 and 1977. Union Minister of Law, Justice and Company Affairs seeks this recommendation, which is then sent to Prime Minister, who advises President on appointment. Under Article 124, subclause 2, every judge of Supreme Court be appointed by the President and shall hold office until he or she attains the age of 65. Key role of CGI. First amongst the equals, Supreme Court in state of Rajasthan versus Prakash Chand 1997 ruled that CGI is the head of the judiciary and holds the leadership position. They do not hold any superior judiciary authority over the Supreme Court judges. Master of the roster. It is the exclusive power of CGI to constitute benches, including constitution benches, to hear cases. Head of Collegium. Chief Justice of India heads Collegium for judicial appointment and transfers in the higher judiciary. Appointment of officer and servants of Supreme Court. It shall be made by CGI or such other judge और ऑफिसर ऑफ द कोर्ट एज ही में डायरेक्ट आर्टिकल 146 में ये मेंशन है. कॉलेजियम सिस्टम क्या है? जुडिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट्स. कॉलेजियम इज अ सिस्टम थ्रू विच जजेस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड हाई कोर्ट्स आर अपॉइंटेड बाय प्रेसिडेंट अंडर आर्टिकल 124 एंड 217 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रेस्पेक्टिवली. मतलब सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लिए कौन सा आर्टिकल मेंशन है? 124 अबाउट द कॉलेजियम, और हाई कोर्ट के लिए 217. It has evolved through judgment of Supreme Court referred to as three judges cases and pronounced in 1981, 1993 and 1998. Appointment in Supreme Court. Collegium consists of Chief Justice of India and four other senior most judges of Supreme Court. Appointment in High Court involve recommendation by High Court. Collegium consists of Chief Justice and two senior most judges of concerned High Court. And Supreme Court Collegium, Supreme CGI and two senior most judges of the Supreme Court. ठीक है. अच्छा, जैसे हाई कोर्ट कॉलेजियम में कौन कौन रहते हैं? तो कंसिस्ट ऑफ चीफ जस्टिस एंड टू सीनियर मोस्ट जजेस ऑफ द कंसर्न हाई कोर्ट. और सुप्रीम कोर्ट कॉलेजियम में चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया रहेंगे एंड टू सीनियर मोस्ट जज ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. कॉलेजियम सिस्टम इवॉल्व विद थ्री जजेस केसेस. तो पहला क्या था? फर्स्ट जजेस केस इन 1981 ऑफ और SP गुप्ता केस. सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूल्ड दैट रिकमेंडेशन मेड बाय CGI टू प्रेसिडेंट कैन बी रिफ्यूज्ड फॉर कोजेंट रीजंस, thereby giving greater say to executive. Second judges case 1993 Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association versus Union of India. CGI only need to consult two senior most judges over judicial appointment and transfer. A third judge case 1998 में क्या बोला गया था? CGI should consult with four senior most Supreme Court judges to form his opinion on judicial appointments and transfer. Then comes अपना impeachment of judges. News में क्यों था? Recently a motion to impeach a judge of Allahabad High Court was submitted in Rajya Sabha. Background: impeachment process is aimed at ensuring accountability and preserving judicial integrity. None of 6 attempts at impeaching a judge since independence have been successful. Constitutional provisions related to impeachment of judges. While Constitution does not use word impeachment, it is colloquially used to refer to proceedings under Article 124 removal of Supreme Court judges and Article 218 removal of a High Court judge. Grounds: proven misbehavior and incapacity not defined in the Constitution. Procedure is regulated by Judges Inquiry Act 1968. अब इम्पीचमेंट का क्या क्या स्टेप्स है? पहला इनिशिएशन. अ मोशन मस्ट बी साइंड बाय एटलीस्ट 100 लोकसभा मेंबर्स और 50 राज्यसभा मेंबर्स एंड सबमिटेड टू प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर ऑफ द रिस्पेक्टिव हाउस. देन इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा. इफ मोशन इज एडमिटेड बाय प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर देन इट इज रेफर्ड टू अ 3-member कमिटी comprising CGI और जजेस ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट चीफ जस्टिस एंड डिस्टिंग्विश्ड ज्यूरिस्ट. Committee investigates charges and submits report to speaker या chairman with its finding and observation. Speaker or chairman will then place a report before Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha. If committee finds judge guilty, its report is adopted by house where it was introduced. Then parliamentary approval आएगा. Debate and voting in both houses parliament requires special majority, 2/3 majority of members present and voting and a majority of total membership. Presidential action. If passed by both houses, motion is sent to president for final approval. एडॉक जज के बारे में देख लेते हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट प्रपोज टेम्पररी अपॉइंटिंग रिटायर्ड जजेस ऑन एन एडॉक बेसिस टू क्लियर बैकलॉग ऑफ द क्रिमिनल केसेस इन हाई कोर्ट. एडॉक जज कौन होते हैं? तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आर्टिकल 224A स्टेट्स दैट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट मे विद द प्रीवियस कंसेंट ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट रिक्वेस्ट एनी पर्सन हु हैज हेल्ड द ऑफिस ऑफ अ जज ऑफ अ हाई कोर्ट टू एक्ट एज द जज ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट. प्रोसीजर फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट आउटलाइंड इन 1998 मेमोरेंडम प्रोसेस MOP. Article 127 deals with the appointment of ad hoc judges in Supreme Court in the if the quorum is not met. Prison reforms. News में क्यों था? Recently Ministry of Home Affairs has amended Model Prison Manual 2016 rules and Model Prisons and Correctional Service Act 2023 to address caste-based discrimination within prisons across country. न्यूज़ में और क्या बोला गया इसके बारे में? These amendments have been made in compliance with Supreme Court order on caste-based discrimination of prisoners in Sukanya Santha versus Union of India and other cases. Supreme Court also directed that reference to habitual offenders in prison manuals should be in accordance with legislative definitions of respective state laws. Habitual offenders are individuals convicted and sentenced multiple times within 5 years or for separate offenses, with sentences not reversed on appeal or review. Key changes introduced. क्या क्या changes introduced किया गया इसमें? Prison authorities must strictly ensure that prisoners are not discriminated against classified or segregated based on their caste, including in allocation of duties or work within prison. Discrimination based on caste is prohibited under Article 14, Equality before law, Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination, Article 17, Abolition of untouchability, etc. Provisions of Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavengers and the Rehabilitation Act 2013 shall have a binding effect in prison and correctional institutions. Prisons in India के बारे में देख लेते हैं. Constitutional provisions persons detained therein is a state subject entry for administration and management of prison is responsible for respective state government. Governance, it is governed by Prison Act 1894 and Prison Manual of respective state government. Prison Act 1894 was first legislation that governed management and administration of prisons in India. Ministry of Home Affairs was prepared model Prisons Act 2023, which may serve as a guiding document for state to reform British era law. Relevant provisions of the Prison Act 1894, the Prisoners Act 1900, and the Transfer of Prisoners Act 1950 have been reviewed and assimilated in Model Prisons Act 2023. Committee on Prison Reforms, Krishna Iyer Committee, Amitabha Roy Committee, Sir Alexander Cardew Committee, Mulla Committee 1983, 82-83. Salient features क्या है मॉडल प्रिजन्स एक्ट का? प्रोविजंस क्या ग्रांट देता है पैरोल के लिए? फरलॉग एंड रिमिशंस टू प्रिजनर्स टू एनकरेज गुड कंडक्ट. पैरोल इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ कंडीशनल रिलीज. क्या है ये? कंडीशनल रिलीज है किसका? प्रिजनर्स का, विद सस्पेंशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड. It is not a matter of right. Prisoners convicted for multiple murders or under Anti-Terror UAPA Act are not eligible for parole. Clear? Then furlough is given in cases of long-term imprisonment. Period of furlough granted to a prison is treated as remission or reduction of his sentence. Separate accommodation for women and transgender inmates for better safety and security. Provision for video conferencing with courts. Scientific and technological interventions in prison. Prisoners' right to contest elections of prisoners. A convicted person sentenced of imprisonment for 2 years cannot contest election. कोई प्रिजनर अगर 2 साल से ज़्यादा अगर सेंटेंस है ना जेल में, देन वो कोई भी इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं अंडर सेक्शन 8 सब क्लॉज 3 ऑफ RPA 1951. Even if such convicted person is on bail, they cannot contest election. Right to vote of prisoners. A person confined in a prison cannot vote. Section 62 sub clause 5 of RPA 1951. It is applicable to person under a sentence of imprisonment of transportation or is in lawful custody of police. A person under preventive detention is entitled to vote in an election. Section 62 sub clause 5 of RPA 1951 and Rule 18 of Conduct of Elections Rule 1961. Judicial pronouncement related to prisoners' right. Prem Shankar versus Delhi Administration 1980. Supreme Court held that there is no compulsive need to fetter a person's limb. Sheila Barsay versus State of Maharashtra 1983 related to custodial violence to women prisoners in jail. Interoperable Criminal Justice System ICGS 2.0. न्यूज़ में क्यों था ये? रिसेंटली मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स आस्क्ड नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड ब्यूरो NCRB to facilitate complete implementation of 3 new criminal laws in the ICJS 2.0. ICJS के बारे में देख लेते हैं. It was conceptualized by E Committee of Supreme Court of India and is being implemented as a project under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Objective: enable seamless transfer of data and information among different pillars of the criminal justice system like crime and criminal tracking network and system, CCTNS for police, etc. Focus integration of CCTNs and with e-courts and e-prisons database and with other pillars of judiciary like forensic labs, fingerprints and prosecutions. It aims to achieve one data once entry across all the pillars. CCTNS was launched in 2009 as a 100% centrally sponsored scheme. Implementation by NCRB in association with National Informatics Centers. Timeline: Phase 1 2018 to 22, Phase 2 2022 to 2025-26. Initiatives for leveraging technology in criminal justice. Safe City project sanctioned in first phase in 8 cities to aid smart policing. Then अपना National Automated Fingerprint Identification System NAFIS to facilitate rapid and accurate identification of individuals. Strengthening of DNA analysis units in central and state forensic science laboratories. Common Integrated Police Application SIPA to automate process of police stations. E-Court Mission Mode Project Phase 3. न्यूज़ में क्यों था ये? यूनियन कैबिनेट अप्रूव्ड Phase 3 of the E-Court Mission Mode Project. E-Court project, it is under implementation since 2007 for ICT enablement of Indian judiciary as part of National E-Governance Plan. Its Phase 1 and 2 were implemented during 2011-15 and 2015-23 respectively. About E-Courts Phase 3, Central Sector Scheme है ये. So for 4 years 2023 to 27 with a financial outlay of 7,210 crore. एम क्या है इसका? तो अशर इन अ रिजाइम ऑफ मैक्सिमम ईज ऑफ जस्टिस बाय मूविंग टुवर्ड्स डिजिटल ऑनलाइन एंड पेपरलेस कोर्ट्स through digitization of entire court records. Objective to create a unified technology platform for judiciary, thus providing a seamless and paperless interface between courts, litigants, and other stakeholders. Implementation: High Court, Supreme Court funds are released to High Court by Department of Justice, Ministry of Law on recommendation of E-Committee, Supreme Courts of India. E-Committee is responsible for policy planning, strategic direction, and guidance for implementation of E-Court project. Components of E-Court Phase 3. क्या क्या कंपोनेंट है? तो S3WAS प्लेटफॉर्म सपोर्ट सिक्योर एंड एफिशिएंट डेटा स्टोरेज एंड एक्सेस. ई सेवा केंद्र ऑफर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्विसेज एंड असिस्टेंस टू यूजर्स. क्लास सिस्टम फैसिलिटेट live audio visual streaming in courtrooms. Scanning and digitization, the process of converting physical records into digital formats. Cloud infrastructure provides scalable storage and computing resources. Virtual courts enables remote courts proceedings through digital platforms. Then comes अपना इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. न्यूज़ में क्यों था ये? क्यों था ये? इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया सेलिब्रेटेड 75th of the establishment and also observed 25th January as National Voters Day. ECI is a permanent constitutional body established on 25th January 1950. Constitutional provisions part 15 of Constitution entails Article 324 to 329. Statutory provision: Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioner appointment, conditions of service and term of office Act 2023 regulates their appointment, service conditions, tenure, etc. Key role: ECI administers election to Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, officers of the president and vice president. Composition consists of Chief Election Commissioner (CEC) and 2 Election Commissioner (EC). Initially, the commission had only a CEC. In 1999, 2 elections commissioners were appointed, who served until 1st January 1990. Since 1993, commissions has permanently included 2 election commissions. ठीक है, 1993 से पहले 1st जनवरी 1990 तक 2 इलेक्शन कमिश्नर्स अपॉइंट किए जाते थे. देन कम्स फंक्शन क्या? ECI का डिस्क्वालीफाइज कैंडिडेट फेलिंग टू लॉज टाइमली अकाउंट फॉर इलेक्शन एक्सपेंसेस, इंश्योर्स इनर पार्टी डेमोक्रेसी and grants status of national and state parties, advises jurisdiction on matters of post-election disqualification. Key provisions of CEC and other Election Commission Act 2023. 2023 Act replaces 1991 Act and facilitates more autonomy in ECI by specifying qualifications, reforming appointment process, providing security to of tenure, etc. Qualification क्या रहता है? For CEC and EC, the person must be holding or have held a post equivalent to secretary to the government of India, possess integrity and experience in managing and conducting election. Search committee क्या composition क्या रहता है? Headed by the Minister of Law and Justice, includes 2 members, rank of secretary or higher. Function: prepares a panel for 5 candidates for selection. Select committee composition क्या है इसका? Prime Minister, chairperson and the leader of opposition in the House of the People, जो member रहेंगे. Union Cabinet Minister to be nominated by the Prime Minister, जो member रहेंगे. Functions: recommend the eligible candidate to the President for the appointment of CEC and DC. Terms of office of CEC and DC: tenure 6 years or until 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. If an EC becomes the CEC, combined tenure cannot exceed 6 years. Reappointment is not allowed. Salary and benefits: salary is equivalent to the Supreme Court judge. Registration and removal, resignation: CEC or EC can resign by writing to the president. Removal कैसे होता है? CEC can be removed by like a Supreme Court judge. EC require the recommendation of CEC for removal. Then legal protection to EC, and DC: protected from civil or criminal proceedings for act or words spoken in official capacity. Key initiatives of ECI: पहले तो EVM microcontroller based portable device introduced in 1977, piloted in 1982 to modernize election. Systemic voters education and electoral participation 2009 to promote voter education, awareness and literacy. C Vijay Lab 2018 to let citizens report model code of conduct violations. National Electoral Roll Purification and Authentication Program 2015 to create error-free and authenticated electoral rolls. ECI is founding members of Association of World Elections Bodies, Stockholm and Commonwealth Electoral Network. Introduction of Voter Verified Paper Audit Trail 2018 for a verifiable paper trail, enhancing transparency.